Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you. And today I'm going to show you how to do this beauty. That's right, it's support for your earrings. And at the same time you can use earrings as a decoration of this small Christmas tree. This macrame Christmas tree is a great decoration for your table. Let's get started. For our work, I need all those materials. Wire, 3 millimeters diameter, it's a very strong one. Macrame cord, 3 millimeters diameter also. 100% of cotton, white color. Pair of scissors, flat nose pliers with cutter, ruler, hot glue gun, and faux leather, the golden one, chunky glitter. For start, I need to draw the star, which is going to be on the top of our wire. Guys, if you have templates, you can use templates of star. I don't have templates. For that, I'm drawing the star myself. Just with pen, something pretty. And I need to cut 2 pieces the same. That's a good one. I will cut 1 more piece the same. Now I have a piece of cotton cord around 20 centimeters length, 20 centimeters, and I need to glue it on the top of our wire. For that I'm using a little bit of hot glue, because fire is very dangerous. For that I'm doing sort of wrapping to make it less dangerous, not so sharp. At the same time, it's going to be a volume for our star at the top of the wire. So I wrapped it. Now it's not dangerous anymore. Now I'm going to glue those 2 stars together. But first, we need to cut the piece of our cord 6 meters. 6 meters. And here it's my middle of my cord, so 3 meters here and 3 meters here. and I'm going to start exactly at this point. So here's my first square knot. I will glue it, so this middle of my cord, I'll glue it here. This way. And I'm starting the first square knot. I'm starting with left facing square knot. And it's going to be spiral square knots, always left facing. So the left cord is on the top of my wire and the right cord is under the wire and going through the loop of cord number 1, which is left one. So here. Now I can put my star. So it's going to be this way, and I'm putting it here. For that, I'm putting glue on the star. And stick it. This way. And covering with other part of star. The most important to stick all points of the star here. Give it some time to dry the glue. If I have something going under, we can just cut a little bit. Here we go. And now I'm continuing my spiral square knots till the end of my wire. So here's on the top, the left one on the top and right one under the wire and through the loop of left cord. This way. It's naturally twisting, which is very good for us. always left on the top of the wire and right is always under the wire and going through the loop. See? Okay guys, I finished my left facing square knots till the end of our tree. That is the last square knots. I need 1 centimeter of the wire left. It's very sharp and we need to use hot glue to cover it and not to be so sharp and so dangerous. So for that, I'll place a little bit of hot glue and I need to rub it. A little bit more. This way we're securing the ends and protecting the end of the wire. Here I wrapped it, and this one also the same. Not too much, otherwise it's going to be too sticky. This way. And make some circle like this. So a little bit more. That's it. Now it's protected. I already made a spiral, so it's stable now, like this. Here we go. So our earring support is ready, like small Christmas tree. Now I need to decorate with my earrings. So this is pretty long. It's going to be here. That is going to be lower. Second one is here. Those ones. And here, and the last I'll place here. Our fancy Christmas tree is ready. We decorated with earrings. This way you will not lose them. And at the same time, decorating your Christmas tree. This Christmas tree you can put on the table or near the mirror where you're doing your makeup. So guys, here we go. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, press notification bell for the next videos, and happy holidays. Bye bye. See you next time, guys.